Welcome back, dear creative, and welcome to the second to the last video in this short crash course on how you can start creating African tales, thereby starting your own faceless YouTube channel. So I've walked us through different steps in the previous videos, how to get your title ideas, how to generate scripts from your title ideas, how to turn your script to voiceover, how to generate image needed, how to get sound effects, and the others. So right now we are going to be editing the videos that we've been making preparation for since video 1. So I'm going to be making use of CapCut. You can decide to use any other video editor that you like using. So I can either use InShot or CapCut, since that is the two video editing app I like using, but for this I'm going to be going for CapCut. So you can do this same step on your PC or on your smartphone. So for this I'm using my smartphone, and now let's get started. So once you tap on CapCut, you can easily install CapCut on your Play Store or your Apple Store. It's there, just install it, and it's going to bring you to an interface like this after you've signed in. I think we are required to sign in, yes. So once you sign in, it's going to bring you to an interface like this, but you may not see all these previous videos since you are not since you may be a new user. So just tap on new project, then you can decide to select all these pictures or all the videos according to your script. So according to your script. So let's say, let me look at my script to import the pictures as it's supposed to be. All right, so once upon a time in a village, blah, blah, blah. So the picture of a village should be the first picture of a village, or if you change it to a video, it should be the first. So let me just still add the image in case I don't want to use the first one. So let's just say maybe I'll use this. Then it said, there lived a young boy named Chukudi. So we are going to add the video or the image of the boy. Remember I said you can choose to change all your image to video, and you can choose to leave it as it is. So let's say we are leaving it as it is. Then the next one is, the village was plagued by a mischievous spirit. So that is how it goes. That is how it goes. Let me just look for it. Okay, let's say this. So this is how you are going to arrange it. I don't want to bore you with all this. Let me just quickly arrange it, and I'll continue after I finish arranging it. Like I said, follow your script to arrange the pictures so that what it's saying will match with what is showing in the picture. So I just finished adding everything as it is supposed to be, and right now it is just 59 seconds. And if you can recall, the audio we created was 2 minutes. So I'll be showing you how you can make it to be the same length. So next thing is to tap on add audio. Look at it right here, add audio. Tap on it and go and bring in the audio. Tap on sound, then you come here, tap on this folder. So once you tap on it, then you tap on device. So once you tap on device, you are going to search for the name of the audio you created. Let me quickly check it out because I've forgotten. Okay, so it was created on 11 Lab. Let's just search 11. Okay.
Once upon a time, in a village nestled by the banks of the great Niger River.
So I tap on the plus sign. Sorry, let me do that again so you can see. I tap on add audio, then I tap on sound. Then I tap on this file or image here. Then I tap on device. So if you would like to learn how to use CapCut, I'll be uploading some tutorials very soon on how you can edit videos using CapCut, because I can't cover everything in this video. So if you would like to watch it, don't forget to subscribe to this channel and turn on notification. So like I said, it was created on 11 Labs. So
Once
Here
upon
is
a
it.
time,
I tap
in a
on this
village
plus sign
nestled by
here.
the banks of the great...
Okay, so the next thing is to add the sound effects if we want. So I've done some sound effects that I downloaded. Let me check for the name. So to add the sound effect, also just tap on audio, tap on sound, follow the same process, tap on the file size, file image, tap on device and search for the name. So I think it's video playback. Yes. Okay. Because we are using an Igbo name, we are going to be using this one. So now let's see.
Once upon a time.
Okay. So first things first, I might want to tap on this audio that is for the person, that's the person saying the story. Like I said, you can use your own voice, just record it on your sound recorder and you will add it here the same way. So let me just tap on that audio and bring it in a bit so that the sound effect will start first before the voice will come in.
Once upon a time, in a village nestled by the banks of the great Niger River, there lived a young boy named Chukwudi. More music on lightmusics.com. Was known for his cleverness and quick thinking.
So if you notice in the voiceover, it's saying more music on. So I'm just going to kind of crop those places out.
More music on lightmusics. Chukwudi.
Then I split here.
More music on lightmusics.com.
Then I split here again. I delete that part where it said more music because I don't want it to show in my video. Then I bring forward the voice effect. That's I bring it forward like this. I join it with the other part that it was cut out from. Now let's see.
Chukwudi. Chukwudi was known for his cleverness and quick thinking.
So another thing is to lower the volume of the sound effect so that it will not cover the volume of our main story. So you're just going to lower the volume, then tap on the voiceover and increase the volume.
Once upon a time.
So now let's see again.
Once upon a time, in a village nestled by the banks of the great Niger River, there lived a young boy named Chukwudi.
So one more thing, if you notice these images, it's like when I generated them, I did not put it on 16:9, so you can see the space behind it. Since this one is a video, I can just use my hand can just tap on, like I will tap on the video, then I'll use my hand to zoom it in, then bring it down a bit so that his face will show. Then this one also, I zoom it in, then I bring it down a bit. This one now is full screen. So this is an image. If I say I should zoom it in and bring it down, I might just cut it out. So I can just leave it. Then there's a feature on CapCut here that can help us. So this is how CapCut can help. Make sure this white line, that is the line that is using to show you where you reach, is on the image you want to edit. Then go to Effects. Then tap on photo effect. Since it's a photo, then you will see autofill 1, autofill 2. So we are just going to use one of the two to see which one can work best for us. So let's see the first one. It won't take much of your time, just a few seconds. It's already at 99 and we are going to see what it will do for us.
Chukwudi.
So it just generated the boy sitting down. We can decide to now zoom it in. We can decide to now zoom it in. Let me select it and zoom it in so that his face will be showing. Can you see the difference?
Chukwudi was known for his...
Let me undo so that you can see. This is the undo button here. Undo, undo. Can you see it? Now let me redo. So it's widening the picture for us so that we can zoom it in and we will still have our main character there. So you can do the same for all your pictures. Now let me quickly show you something else before I end this video.
Chukwudi was known for his cleverness and quick thinking. But the village was plagued by a mischievous spirit that lurked in the waters, known as the river spirit. The river.
So to make this video longer, we can just tap on each video, then extend the length to as much as we want. But don't extend the length of each pictures too much so that different pictures can show. It will be more engaging to your audience that way than just staring at one picture for a long time. The highest, I would say the highest, just leave it for like 8 seconds. Don't let it be more than that. 8 to 10 seconds is okay. Then you change the picture again. That is, you allow another picture to roll in. This is what I'm talking about. If you tap on the picture right now, you can see it here, 3 seconds. So I can just decide to extend it if what the voiceover is saying. Okay, look at this place.
And quick thinking.
So they said Chukwudi is known
for his cleverness and quick thinking.
So all this place is still talking about Chukwudi. Then I'm going to extend it forward. Now let's see.
And quick thinking. But
now here it's talking about village. Now then I'm just going to tap on the edge of this image and bring it back to where this white line is standing. Here, I'll make sure it is aligned. Now let's see again.
Thinking. But the village was plagued.
Okay. This is where it started from.
But the village was plagued by a mischievous spirit that lurked in the waters.
So like I said, don't let it be more than 8 to 10 seconds. Let me reduce this one to 9 seconds. Then this one also, I will increase it a bit so that my video will be up to the 2 minutes of the voiceover. So this is how you are going to do it for all your images or for the videos you want to create. Just calm down and do them. Don't forget, if you have any question, you can easily reach out to me. And if you have not watched the videos from the beginning, then check the description of this video you are currently watching and you are going to see the link to a playlist where you can check out the previous videos. So if you are using the AI fill and it refused to fill it again, another thing you can do is go to background. Just back whatever you are doing and go to background. So once you tap on background right here at the right hand side of your screen, then you tap on blur. After tapping on blur, you can select the blur effect you want. Then you add it to the background, giving you something like this. Look at it. Look at the side. But if you don't want the blur effect at the side like that, you can choose to use your hand to extend the image, but it's going to cut out some of the parts. So do whatever suits you best. Another thing is adding transitions in between them. So you can choose to add different transitions. If you look at my screen right now, this place is where this clip joined with another. So I'm just going to tap that place right now and it's going to load out different transitions for me. Then I can select any one I want so that it will show in the videos. So let's say I'm using this. Then it's going to apply to everything if I tap apply to all right here. So I'm going to tap apply to all because I want the transition to apply to everything. Another thing you can do again is add effects. That's maybe zoom in or zoom out to all the videos that you are creating right now. So let's say you want to add zoom in or zoom out to the video. Let's say video effects. Then we can come here. So under the video effects here, you can see different video effects. There's lightning here. You can add the lightning to your video. So let's say where they are talking about this village that is plugged by evil spirits, I can just decide to add the lightning there. Your data will be on, of course, so I don't know why it's really taking time to download right now. Probably the network. So it just finished downloading. Let me just bring the effects to this place here. Yes, this place. Now let's see.
In a village nestled by the banks of the great Niger River, there lived a young boy named Chukwu.
So you can add different effects from the CapCut side here to your videos. Like this thunder right now, you can decide to add thunder sound effect too. So it will not just be showing. So I've downloaded some thunder sound effect on my phone right now. There's a video on how you can get sound effects for any of your videos. You can ask me for it. You can check my channel for it, or you can reach out to me on WhatsApp to ask for it, and I'm going to refer you to it. So let me just quickly add that thunder sound effect since I add it to this video right now. I'll just go to my audio, sound, go to my file on my phone. Then I'm going to search for thunder. So let's see.
Village nestled by the banks of the great Niger River, there lived a young.
Then where it stopped, I'm just going to split and delete the rest. So this is how you can make your video more engaging. You can add different sound effects, thunder, any sound effect, anything you can imagine that you can think of, you can add it to it.
On a time, in a village nestled by the banks of the great Niger River, there lived a young boy.
How did I get the sound effect of thunder? I just went to my browser and searched for thunder sound effects MP3 download, and I was able to download it. And it will not give you copyright issue because it is copyright free. So
boy named Chukwudi.
Like I said, just play around with the video effects that are available on CapCut. You can actually do a lot of things, and I've mentioned it before. I'm going to be creating some tutorials on how to make use of CapCut to edit your videos. And if you will like to watch them, then don't forget to subscribe to this channel and turn on notification so you won't miss out when I drop these videos. So this is another effect I wanted to add to this video, mist effect. Now let's see.
It decided to challenge the villagers to a contest of wits.
So I can decide to add this mist to all the video by just extending it. I'll tap on the edge here. I will extend it. Then I will come here again. I will extend this to the end of the video so that it will apply on all the video. Now can you see?
The river spirit declared, "If you can answer my riddles correctly, you will win your..."
So this is the simple way on how to make this type of videos. Thank you for watching.